I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I know you never pass up fika, and you definitely don't eat the last bite either. I'm a tourist in Sweden. Yeah, I know Denmark sucks. Everybody knows that. I'm a tourist in Sweden. I know every room I walk into, I lower the average good-lookingness by at least 35%. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and the only time Sweden seems cheap is when I come from Norway. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I know this is the true Swedish superhero. I'm a tourist in Sweden. No, I can't really pronounce it correctly, but I do know that's the only place I can buy hard alcohol. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I know the only souvenir I need is a dollar horse. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I have no idea how the Swedes can eat so many meatballs, yet stay so fit and trim. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and if you're only going to have one pastry when you're here, it's the cinnamon rolls. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I know that Sweden and Switzerland are not the same place. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and if you want to rile them up, just tell them that real Vikings are from Denmark. I'm a tourist in Sweden. I assume there must be a law against people wearing bright colors. I'm a tourist in Sweden. I know if you cut the line, the Swedes might cut you. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I know that you never, ever talk to a Swede on public transportation. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I know ABBA is the greatest band ever. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and yes, I did have my Swedish meatballs, though I ate them so fast I don't have them for the picture. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I know there is absolutely no reason to take money out of the ATM when you come here because they just use credit cards everywhere. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and every day I have to fight the urge to speak like the Swedish chef. You're flirty, buddy! I'm a tourist in Sweden, and all I did was eat meatballs and cinnamon rolls for a week, and I'd do it again. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I know if you're going to get one souvenir when it's here, it's the dollar horse. I'm a tourist in Sweden, and I know not 100% of all furniture in this country is from IKEA, just 98%.